Hello, Jim Tech Buzz back with a video. New product just launched and it's the Urbanista London True Wireless earphones. And you've got 27 hours battery life compatible with Android and iOS. And we're going to have a look at what's inside. So the specs are features: compact design, 27 hours playing time, voice assistant, touch controls, Bluetooth 5.2 and USB-C type charging. So that's pretty much it there. So they're compatible with both phones, Android and iOS, which is good, and the case will charge 2 times, which is nice, and you've 9 hours per charge, they reckon, so that's pretty good. And I got the nice colour here. This is the colour I was looking for, and it's a vanilla colour. So let's pop them open and have a look and see what they look like in the flesh. There we go. So we'll take out the case first. It's a nice small case, and see what else is inside. So you've got your warranty and you've got your user guide there, so stuff that people never read. So you've got your controls and all that there, but we'll be going through all that in the full review. This is just a quick first look and unboxing. So while we test them out, you can ask the questions that you need answered. We will answer them for you. And that's pretty much it. Nothing else in there. Right. And there they are. I love the colour. And the case is really small, so you've got your button on the bottom here, LED, USB-C port on the back, and these do not require tips. So we've got this wing built in. There's no extra wings in the box, and we've got some faces going on here. Yeah. But they really are nice. I'm going to pop them into the ear and pop one in anyway and see how it feels. Feels comfortable anyway. So let's have a look. It's just all that colour all the way through. It's a really nice colour. So you've got left and right marked on them anyway, and different kind of earbuds here, different shape, and yeah, interesting. But they do fit and hold in the ears with this wing here on both sides, so I wouldn't be too bothered, but they do fit securely. And something quite different here as it goes as design wise for earbuds, and nice to see a change as well. But the colour's lovely as well. You've got your logo there, and that's it. So let's pop these back in and see what else comes up on them. They're on the screen. So just your light that pops up in front, and see if there's any activity on the earbud itself. And they won't fall out of the case either if the case falls at all, so that's nice to see. So that's it for the moment. Come back to us for the review very soon on techbuzzworld.com. Of course, don't be afraid to answer or ask anything. It's a really nice small case. I like this colour, and they look really well too. The nice Urbanista branding up on top. So stay tuned. Talk to you in the next video, and be good.